What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you don't have you in here, it is illegal to throw your trash in this dumpster. You're on camera. Alright, we're not throwing, so we're taking. I see a water hose, and that's about it. And they're breaking down the... Oh, no, I see a stainless steel sink in the very back. We'll back up to it and get it. Or at least I think it's a stainless steel sink. Gnats following me around. Already. Yeah, I don't know how good we're gonna do since it's gonna be a holiday weekend, but first dumpster, we're doing pretty good. That's what it looks like, at least. We're on camera, but we're not dumping, we're taking. Maybe that'll work. We'll turn you off for the can't talk viewing, listening pleasure. Thank you. Maybe we can reach it from here without having to pop in there for one thing, but who knows? Oh, it's even got the brass on it. Heck yeah. Dude, that's a good looking sink, isn't it? Got the copper bits on it too. Underneath, looky there. Oh, there's a toolbox. I'll tell y'all something. I don't know what I was gonna tell you, but mine's scared. Oh yeah, I got me a junk booth finally. At least I've got approved, and I will be in there the 15th when the next person leaves. So me and my best friend are... Oh, it's got stuff in it. Are doing it together. It's full of... There's some brass in there. Nothing. Some small tools. That's good. Some little bits and... Yeah. Might be some sellable stuff in here. Toolbox is still usable too. Heck yeah. But yeah. So that's good. I'll look around a little bit more. This dumpster usually, there's a garbage disposal down there. I can't reach it. I see it. I see it. Might as well. Check it all out. Yeah, there's a Best Buy February 2024, but I am not taking none of this food out of here, guys. After I've seen what's been dumped up in here. But I want to see if there's anything else now since we're down in here. Little shred. That's the to their new sink. Leave nothing back there for it. Alright. Well, we did what we could. These shorts were constricting me. There we go. Koontz is up and out of there. Y'all can make fun, it's okay. I'm not as nimble as some of them young fellers on here. They're probably younger than me, older than me. On we go. Had to back up to another one. Should have backed up a little better. Still don't know if I can reach it. I gotta get that brass and copper, boy. Come on now. Making racket. Let me get you. Oh. Do it the easy way. A little bit of shred. Bottom of this thing, this brass. We'll take it too. Good job, Hook. Alright, there's a doorknob. I don't know if I can get it. Let's get out here. We made enough racket. Well, that's doing good so far, I guess, on that stuff. On we go. Looky here, looky here. Got some stuff set out. Yeah, those are all just scrap. Teflon came off. Thanks for ever set that out. Ew. On we go. Oh, we had more now. I grabbed a couple brooms out of here and then seen that and thought we might have had something good. Alright. What's this? A speaker! We can kind of take that. Take a few of the plastic bits off. Maybe. It's something. On we go. If we don't start finding something soon, we might have to start. Oh, help somebody out. There's a nail. Picking up cans. Recording it where I can at least have a video out of the day. Ain't got a whole lot yet. Yeah, but on my booth, I'm nervous and excited about it. It's big. It's kind of a big. I forgot the dimensions already because I forget things as soon as somebody tells me. But it's $125 a month. So I don't know how long my buddy will want to do it for. I don't know how long I'll want to do it for. I guess we'll do it for a couple months and see how it pans out, I guess. Nervous, excited. I'm more nervous about getting it set up and making it look nice, and then I can just add stuff. But it'll give us more content to do, more stuff to not leave behind, I guess, if we can make a couple dollars out of it and all that. But on we go. We'll see if we can find anything today. I think I see a piece of scrap metal, actually. Y'all believe that? I do. But you looky here. The trophy dumpster. That's a big piece of aluminum. We can take that. That's plastic, but we'll take that. And this. Oh, look at all this aluminum right there. We gotta be careful with that. Grab it. Somebody from 1971. Let's get us a... We can grab this aluminum without... Yay. Grab some of it at least. Since it's all just right there for the pickings. Let's get this. Oh, it comes in pieces. That's 100% metal there. Thing keeps falling apart. I'll have to grab some more of that aluminum. Oh, here's a whole box of it, ready to go. That one is nope. A little bit more aluminum down there. Let's get a... I mean, that's $1 worth of aluminum. Bit of money. Let's get a hook, and I've seen some bigger trophies. They might have some aluminum or something on them. Some of them older ones did. Where did I see it at? Plastic. Alright, well. Better than nothing. Got some scrap metal on the truck though. On we go. What is this? Oh. What is this thing? Huh. I bet I could sell that in my booth. That's a good little... I don't need that really. I'll keep the tape. Yeah, I could sell that. A few dollars, huh? Let's see what else is in here. Piece of carpet. Piece of plastic. Alright. We'll go check that one. That's the one that gave us a bunch of good stuff here lately. Well, I think I could sell that for $5 to $10, don't you think? That's a solid wood. Yeah. Y'all guys want to check this one with me? Looks like they dumped it, maybe. We'll see if there is anything. Yeah, it's been moved, so nothing. Just in case. That is, I think that's coaxial. No, it's low grade wire. I can tell the way it's bending. There's some case back there. You guys want to see what's in it? I kind of do myself. Let me back up to it. I'd like to know what was in it. Alright, let's see what's in that bad boy. Feels like there's something in it, maybe. Hey, it's an old camera. Cool. Scrap at least. Think anybody buy that in the junk booth? $2. On we go. Oh, I see a Swiffer. I can take that. People wonder what I'm doing. What's it? What's it? Oh, a lamp. Nice. Scrap metal in the truck. That's what I like. There's another cord to something. What's it gonna be to? A mattress. Unplugged it, so. Oh, this road's busy. What's in the case, mate? Is that a gun case? It's a gun case. It is pretty nasty, though. Broke. Matches are broke. Thought I might be able to sell them. Stick around a little here, a little more. Why not? A boot. Those things. When I had ankle surgery, they charged my insurance a ton for that thing. Now I don't have insurance. Riding dirty. Alright. Let's get out of here. I'm making people mad, probably. There's a guy digging in the trash. Oh, I guess we'll take a TV. I ain't find nothing else. Got a metal back, so. That one. The last one I found with the remote, dude, worked. The remote didn't totally work, but it worked. So that's kind of cool. All right, on we go. Oh, we'll take you since you're all smashed up. Our microwave here. There's a CRT TV too. Small one, isn't it? VCR combo. Alright. I guess. Almost have to rearrange. Yeah, with the holiday, there's no trash tomorrow, and a lot of dumpsters were emptied early in anticipation for the extra day off, I guess. Because a lot of the ones that are usually full, or you can tell, have been emptied. So I probably should have waited till tomorrow to go, which I might go out again tomorrow if I can. But still got a little bit to check, so actually quite a bit, but we'll see what we get into. Looks like we're gonna get some stuff here. Do some rearranging. Leftover yard sale stuff. Take that. Take that. There's some copper. Copper. We'll get rid of this for him. Since pots and pans. I guess we can take that too. Scrap it at least. More pots and pans. Guess we'll take. Oh yeah, we'll take it out. Oh yeah, there's some bedding. Eesh. I don't want really. I think that's just glassware, vases and stuff. Get rid of that for him. Get. Those are blinds. Can't really take them. Dishes I'll leave. Alright. Not a bad stop. Best stop of the day, actually. That thing right there and that shelf I might be able to sell. Okay. Let's see what's in these things before I run off. Blinds. Okay. On we go. There's a metal desk back here. this one's pretty. Pretty well. Oh, more rearranging, I guess. We'll dump that out here. And that. That tore up. No, there ain't no way that dude's. That dude's in there. Oh, a remote for an Xbox. Yeah, better than nothing. I've been saying that too much today. Yeah, a lot of the stuff that we're getting is some stuff that I usually wouldn't pick up, like the shampooer or the... Sometimes I'd even pass on that desk. TV. It's just, there's always something to grab to make a dollar or two. You might just have to put a little bit more work into it, but when there ain't nothing out, grab what you can, I guess. On we go. Hey, look, scrap metal, kind of. A couple of chairs, a couple of mops. Pretty decent. I'll be able to settle down. On we go. Oh, at least we're finding a few things. It ain't a show without fold 'em up Joe. Happy to have him. Happy to have him on board today. Alright. Alright, we got something controversial. Not the food, even though that is. A wheelchair. Y'all won't tell me to donate it, and it's getting thrown away by a medical place, so I don't think I will. I think I'll just recycle it. I don't know any place that takes used medical supplies anyway. Controversy. Nowhere near me anyway. Alright guys. That's all I see. see something good over here. A smoker. And I guess that's what it is. Yeah. So. Alright, don't fall. Or fall. It ain't that heavy. We got something. Let's scrape together a little load before it's all said and done. Where'd that shampooer go, guys? It jumped in a dumpster somewhere. That's what let's let the truck rest for a minute. I had to hop in to get that. Well, keep making it extruded. Let me get my stick, because that box I can't really get in. We'll figure this out. Been so long since I got out of the truck. I have to get in this way. There's a piece to the smoker over there somewhere. Where did I make that thing go to? Did it fall? There it is. Oh goodness. I can't get it. I'll get it one way. Oh my gosh. A lot of work for a little bit of shred. We made it. 10 days later. Do them a solid. It's hot. You guys want to check these last few with me, see if we find anything? First one, oh, keyboard way in the back. Dang it. Not really enough. Worth getting for a cord. Tell I'm getting bummed. We're not finding anything. I don't think I can reach it. Maybe from the other side. I'm not getting bummed. There's a big box. one thing. Put that there for. Yeah, we can get this. We can get this dude. Might as well. Get this little cord. Check these last ones here. You wanna ride with me, guys? See what we come up with. That's a good sign, though. Unless somebody was just like me and like, oh, I don't want to get in and get that just for a little cord. So, we'll see. A lot of people check these. But a lot of people dump here all the time, too. Looks like somebody's been in there or something. A lot of trash out by the side. Or somebody dumped. Nothing too good. One more. And we're done for the day. Hope y'all had fun. Not bad for a off trash day, I guess. We've done worse. We've done better. We found some few sellable items, and we got some copper and some brass and pots and pans and enough to cover gas and maybe a few dollars in shred. Not much. Might have got us 20 bucks in shred, maybe. That smoker may have put us over the edge, I don't know, in that wheelchair. And nothing. That's it, guys. Got us a little shelf. I might put $5 on that thing. Somebody might buy that. And there was some other sellable things there, maybe. But mainly just on that toolbox at the beginning. That probably was the best find of the day, because it had some tools in it. So thank y'all so much for watching, guys. I may go out again tomorrow. It kind of depends what I have going on, I guess. The kids are off school, so what world to get into. But y'all guys have a good one. I'll see y'all on the next one.